Welcome to Remy's playroom. We just finished up the popsicles today. So, you want rainbow colors? Want to say welcome to Remy's playroom? No?
I want to get playroom Remy.
Okay, buddy.
Playroom Remy film. Playroom Remy.
Alright, so are you excited for your rainbow popsicles?
Yeah.
Do they look nice and yummy now?
Uh-huh.
You can't wait to eat one?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we can pull one out, huh? Oh, that one didn't work out. We'll have to let it thaw a little bit, I guess, buddy. Alright, so we'll scoop that one into a tray. Okay, but yeah, these are the popsicles. I'm gonna rub them thaw a little bit so we can actually pull them out. This one kind of, just as you can see, I lost the thing on it. So we gotta get a better popsicle tray, buddy. But they'll be good to the rest of them once they thaw out. So these are the rainbow popsicles. Let me show you a nice view of them. You can see different flavors. We did yesterday was banana, grapes, blueberry, and strawberries. They'll be really yummy when we start eating them. But
I want to wait.
don't pull them right now. We have to let them unthaw a little bit, or else you'll do like this one did. It won't have no hook on it. But thanks for the video. We'll see you tomorrow when we have a different video. This was basically a day in the morning, and we're not planning anything today.
Not over. I'm sorry. It's too late. I'm okay there.
Hey, you want to say any last things?
No.
Okay, you say bye. Well, bye, Remy's Playroom. We'll see you
No.
tomorrow.